The big one's Marina, the little one's Diana. They look just the same, identical. How happy and playful they are. It's Diana's second day in our home, getting really well with all the dogs. That's so funny, all crowded together playing. Look at that. That's some really good play there. Diana's the one standing up. Marina's the one laying down. And Jenny's in the background rolling around. Jenny, Jenny. Hey, Marina. Tired drinking water, Diana? Such a nice day out. There's Abby, three-legged dog. There's Mercy, old dog. Cutie. There's Marina going ahead and playing with Jenny.